Buenos días a todos, espero que ustedes estén bien. Vamos a hablar sobre las últimas cosas que tenemos que hacer para este curso. As you guys see, we are now in Module 4. The only thing that we have in Module 5 is the final oral exam. So this Sunday, we had due the oral presentation 2. So next Sunday, what you guys will have to complete is the peer feedback that you do for at least 2 different people in the class. So you should ideally respond to your partner's presentation and someone else's presentation. But if your partner does not submit a presentation or you can't find it, then just respond to 2 different people's presentations, and that's how you'll get your that's the best way to get the full credit. You do need to respond orally and in Spanish, okay, in order to get 100% here on the peer feedback. That day, we'll also have to turn in the second composition through rough drafts. Remember that this is in quizzes. So this actually opens up on Wednesday, I believe at 6 a.m. So Wednesday the 10th at 6 a.m. it will open the quiz. You'll only be able to take it once, and it only lasts an hour and a half. After that, after Sunday, April 14th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, it will not be available. So make sure that you guys open it up with enough time to complete it. So then the following weekend, which is Easter weekend, that's when I will send you guys back your feedback, and then the second draft, which is the final draft, will be due via assignments by April 28th at 11:59 p.m. And then as always, we have our VHL activities and the partner dialogues that you guys complete on VHL. So that's what we have coming up. Then May 3rd through the 9th, you guys will be doing your final oral exams. Okay, if we go to VHL, our calendar shows us that we really only have the dialogues and everything else left for this month. The 28th, there are no partner dialogues. So after today, the 7th, you'll only have the 14th and the 21st left to do partner dialogues. There's less time between the midterm and the final, so that's why we do less dialogues. And then this will be only VHL activities, and then in May we have no activities at all. So make sure you guys are making time for them. They are lengthy, 2 hours and 40 minutes, 3 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours and a half. So make sure that you guys are making time for these activities, that you're able to complete them, and that you don't have to worry about them throughout, missing any assignments. Okay, I think that's really all that we have going on. Here's quizzes. This is where you'll find the second rough draft for the composition. Like I said, it opens up on April 10th at 6 a.m. and it's available until April 14th at midnight. Here is assignments, and then this is where you will send your second composition. Also, you guys may turn in by May 1st the reflection of the partner dialogue replacement in order to replace your lowest partner dialogue grade. Under content, here's where you'll find the information for the instructor feedback journal. Here is the link that takes you to the calendar. It's not until April 19th. So one thing that I do want to make sure that everyone does is, it's okay if you have to cancel, but I need you to delete it so that someone else can take the spot. So we should be, everybody should be signing up for these. They are about 10 minutes in length. They don't take too long. So make sure that you sign up for one so that you're able to complete that part of the course. We'll go back and just kind of read through what we need to do before that. So you schedule a one-on-one virtual meeting. You access the calendar, which I have provided below. They can be held in Spanish or English, so you can let me know if you want it to be in Spanish so that you can get a little bit extra practice. So you should review your written and oral assignments, write down any questions you have for me, and about the feedback that you have received. Okay, you will email me at least one time during the semester to follow up on feedback. And then you keep a feedback journal for written and oral assignments. This will keep track of the feedback that you have received. And then you provide a 1 to 2 paragraph summary of the areas in which you need the most improvement. And I included here student-instructor interactions and how you should be making your emails when you send them. So you would say, estimada profesora, then your message here, atentamente, your name. That's how the Connecticut example shows us that we should be creating emails. Most of you guys have already emailed me before to follow up on something for the course, so that part is taken care of. You just need to make sure that you complete the paragraph of your reflection. So this is where you'll find that. I think everything else has already been uploaded. This is where you guys will put your presentations into VoiceThread, and I'll be going through those to make sure that all grades are updated. So if anyone has any questions, please let me know.